Okay, so in last session we have specified the various properties related to the Spring Boot application to make it secure. Now in this video we are going to run the Spring Boot application and we will see that whether it has installed the SSL certificate or not. So here you can see that we have created our certificate file, which is over here right now in the root directory, which I supposed to move into the resources. So I'm shifting that my SSL cert.p12 into the resource directory. Okay, now let's try to run the application, and when I will run the application and if I see my console, at that time my Tomcat should get initialized on the port number 443. So let's check it out. Yes, here it is. If you see, the Tomcat port number is now changed to 443 and it says that it is running on the HTTPS. Okay, so my application is ready right now. Application is ready. Okay, now let me test it on the browser. So I'm going to the Google Chrome, and here you can see that previously our application was running on 8080. Okay, now let me open the incognito window, and here I have to specify the URL of our application. So it would be localhost :443. Now it is not 8080, but it is now 443, and hit enter. So here you can see that now there is something interesting I have, that it says that your connection is not a private, because now I am using the SSL certificate, but this SSL certificate is the self-signed certificate, so still it is not considered secure certificate. So just I wanted to show you the way to create the digital certificate. That's why we have carried out this step. So when I will click on advanced, and it will allow me to proceed further for this website. So I'm selecting this proceed to localhost, right? So here you can see our home page. Now here if you will click on this not secure, and here you will find out the certificate that we have just installed on our web application. So let's click on certificate and see. These are the certificate information that we had provided. Okay, so I hope this is clear to all of you. Now here I can provide the username and password, but let's see that on the behind the scene whether it provides any information related to username and password that we had intercepted earlier with the help of Wireshark. Okay, so let's try to see that. So for that, just let me open the Wireshark. Here it is, and I will start capturing the packets. So now here if you can see that I am running the application on the localhost, that is the loopback address. Okay, so just I will capture the packets which are related to the localhost or the loopback address. So let's start capturing the traffic from the loopback address. So here in the capture option, I'm having that option last. Okay, so do double click on that, so it will start capturing the packets. Okay, so now let's execute the application. Let's run the application, and here I'm providing the username followed by the password and clicking on login. Yes, great, you have successfully logged into your system. Okay, let's see what has happened behind the scene at the network layer. So let's go to the Wireshark, and here you can see this many packets have been generated. I'm stopped capturing the packets. Okay, and let's go through the each and all the packets which are captured by the Wireshark. Okay, and here now if you filter only the TLS traffic, because now the traffic would be considered only TLS traffic, there is no HTTP traffic now. Okay, so here you can see that there are certain message exchanges, but if you will see in the packet detail, nothing is readable. See here, you will not able to identify anything over here, even the client hello, server hello, or any other application data. See, nothing is readable. Okay, so here you can see that when you install the digital certificate or the SSL certificate, your web application will become secure. That means it will do the secure communication with the client. That's it for this session.